Welcome to the Hurd Integrated Living and Learning Complex, more commonly known as The Hill. Located on our historic Priscilla Payne Hurd Campus in downtown Bethlehem, The Hill is a 6-story building that houses more than 230 residents in suites ranging in size from 4-person to 16-person units. First-year students occupy the 16-person units, while the rest of the building is dedicated to upperclassmen. Student athletes, music majors, and international students, just to name a few, all reside here, so you'll be sure to find a friend group that fits your lifestyle. Rooms in the Hill are approximately 9 feet by 12 feet and contain the basics: an extra-large twin bed, desk and desk chair, a wardrobe, dresser, and window blinds. It has all the elements to make the room match your personality and call it home. There are single and gender-inclusive units available. When it comes to amenities, the Hill features coinless laundry, a fitness center, mailroom, and central air conditioning. There are also a variety of classrooms, meeting rooms, and lounges that provide you the opportunity to be both productive and relaxed with your friends, teammates, and out-of-town visitors. To get between the Hill and the Main Street or North Campus, there is a complimentary shuttle service available that operates with multiple stopping points along the way. There is even an app you can download to track the shuttle's location around its route. So when the weather is bad, think door-to-door service from the Hill to the hub. For more information and to get in contact with us, please visit moravian.edu/housing. And don't forget to follow us on social media at moravian.RLH.